With good foundation of encapsulation, we can begin to explore how the Java programming language uses encapsulation of some of its inbuilt classes. Exploring more examples will help you better understand this object-oriented principle and recognize the scenarios it should be used in. One common Java class that uses encapsulation is the string class. To find out more about the string class, we will click into it using our IDE. I am on Windows, or let's say control click. So I will be inside the string class. So string class do have 3000 lines of code, but we will break it into parts and work through it to see how it uses encapsulation. A string is made up of characters, and those characters value actually live in the form of bytes or a byte array. This is all hidden away from us, and the way we use string in everyday programs, this means even if things inside the string class changes, it won't affect the rest of the program, as long as the input, output, and the result of public behaviors stay the same. There are few others private attributes in this class, but we will be focusing on this value attribute. With Control plus F, or we can see how it used throughout this class. So you can see where this value is getting used in this class. The string class has several constructors and ways to initialize a given instance. So these first few methods will be about setting up values attribute with initial values. One common instance method in the string class is length method. So let's say I will define name.length here. So I will be able to fetch the length of that string, but I don't know what is happening on the backend. Like what is the implementation going on. I am directly using the length method in my main Java class. This is a public method, so we are able to use it outside the string class. In fact, string used to char array for the value attribute and tell Java. If the internal array was exposed outside the string class with a public modifier, then this change would have much harder to make because it would have affected any programs that used to this attribute. With encapsulation, we can achieve loose coupling. That's what enabled the Java developers to make this change without significantly impacting other Java programs. This value array is also used in several other public instance methods as a way to retrieve data from it. So I'm talking about this. IsEmpty, char@, all of these are common methods we use to work with strings, and we work with them using public methods that access private methods or private attributes. However, you won't find any methods in this class that modify the value array, and that's because strings are immutable. With the value array as private and access to it only available through public methods, we can fully encapsulate this attribute in the behaviors that change it to the string class only.